Indawo ekhiqiza umjovo olwisana neengogwana ye-coronavirus iphasisiwe ukuthi iza kuba seBrackenfell ingasikade. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ukwehla kwale ngogwana kulethe ukuhluka ngemibono kwavula nesikhala kezepilo emazweni wephasi. Uthi kumsebenzi omkhulu kulwisana naleli dimoni elihayile iphasi.
We have seen that if we want to safeguard the health of our people, we need to have the means and the technology and resources to produce vaccines and treatments for all manner of diseases that afflict the people of our continent.
Uthi kodwa kunefuneko yelwazi labososayensi nezazi zepilo enarhakazini yeAfrika. Uthi kufuneka nechebiswano lamazwe nakulwisana nengogwana efana nale.
That is why we welcome partnerships with entities like Access to Advanced Health Institute, the Soon-Shiong Family Foundation, and networks to mobilize investment, to transfer technology and know-how, and to develop the skills.
Udokotela Patrick Soon-Shiong oselahlala ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle uthi imibono enebandlululo ephephethako le ngenye yabonobangela bokuthi amazwe weAfrika kufanele abumbane ukutshala imali ukusebenzisana ukukhiqiza umkhiqizo wawo ngomnqopho munye wokubulala igciwane leli.
The first generation vaccine was absolutely not a waste of time. However, we needed to, in parallel, I believe, have focused on the second generation vaccine so that we're there to stop the transmission.
Uthi ukuvula kwendawo le ekhulunyiswako kuyokulekelela nokuthi isale seyikhiqiza neminye imijovo ezokulisana namagulo afana nekankere, ukugula kwesifuba kanye nengogwana yentumbandonga.